Satellites are a key to human communication. Their implementation to fulfill this purpose literally skyrocketed during the 60s. In 1985, when Mexico put its first communication satellite in orbit, the Morelos 1, the objective of the project was linking the rural and urban areas of the country. That day, Mexican satellite history began. Our research will be conducted around telecommunications through the use of small satellites and deployable structures. Small satellites are satellites whose mass is between 0.1 kilograms and 500 kilograms. Generally, the complexity, cost, and development time for a satellite varies depending on its dimensions and mass. For these reasons, the use of satellites under 500 kilograms has grown significantly in the last 10 years. There are around 800 active commercial satellites in orbit. Of those, more than 350 are considered to be small satellites, according to the satellite database from the Union of Concerned Scientists. Although roughly half of all the active commercial satellites belong to the small category, their combined mass only accounts for 5% of the total mass of all commercial active satellites.
A deployable structure is a structure that can change shape so as to significantly change its size. These structures are widely used in space applications due to storage limitations of launch vehicles. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, in 2019, Mexico was updated in the field of telecommunications via satellite through the Aztec Sat-1 nanosatellite. A nanosatellite is a satellite with a mass between 1 and 10 kilograms. The purpose of the mission is establishing intercommunication with the constellation of satellites Globalstar, which could mean independence from Earth stations for the control and operation of nanosatellites, increasing data exchange for satellite applications worldwide, as well as reduction in costs.
According to the Mexican Institute of Communications, in 2020, only 80.6 million Mexicans had internet access, meaning there are still more than 49 million Mexicans unconnected from this useful resource. 1 out of every 5 Mexicans lacks access to the web, due to a network that is not only unattended, but also insufficient for the needs of the country. The implementation of small satellites with deployable structures represents a useful alternative for the innovation and development of telecommunications in Mexico, due to its lower cost, short implementation time, and relative ease of construction, and also it guarantees access to telecommunications in remote areas.